What's the meaning of blind trust? Blind trust. Blind trust.
Blind trust. Blind trust. Blind trust is a financial arrangement in which the owner of assets transfers their ownership and control to a trustee, who manages the assets on behalf of the owner without the owner's knowledge or participation in the management process. The objective of a blind trust is to eliminate any potential conflicts of interest between the beneficiary and any financial or personal interests held by the trustee. This type of trust is commonly used by politicians, executives, and other high-profile individuals who wish to avoid allegations of insider trading or other improprieties. Blind trusts are often used for the management of large portfolios, such as in the case of mutual funds or pension plans.